The Ring Alarm glass break sensor uses AI technology to detect the sound of breaking glass and minimize false alarms from other household noises. For proper installation, the sensor must be placed within 25 feet of windows or glass doors that you want to monitor. Ring recommends mounting the sensor at least 7 feet or 2 meters off the ground for optimal performance. You have three mounting options: wall mount, ceiling mount, or shelf placement. Avoid areas where items are frequently moved to prevent false alarms. For installation, first clean and dry the mounting surface. Then use the included mounting tape for temporary placement or screws and anchors for permanent installation. Once installed, the sensor integrates with your Ring alarm system to trigger the siren and send mobile alerts when armed. It can also activate Ring cameras to start recording when glass breaking is detected. After mounting your Ring glass break sensor, the first step is to test its functionality to ensure it's working correctly. By default, the sensor is active in home and away modes, but not when the system is disarmed. You can customize these settings through the Ring app interface. To conserve battery life, enable power saving mode when the alarm is disarmed. The sensor uses AA alkaline batteries that can be easily replaced when needed. If you need to perform a factory reset, locate the pinhole reset button inside the battery compartment and hold it down for 10 seconds using a paperclip. The sensor works by listening for specific sound frequencies associated with breaking glass. When these frequencies are detected, it immediately sends a signal to your Ring alarm base station. Once the base station receives the signal, it immediately sends an alert to your Ring app, notifying you of the potential break-in. This entire process happens within seconds to ensure rapid response.